Today we're still in Chapter 5. We're in the second part of this. We're talking about supply elasticity. To define supply elasticity, simply stated, it means it's the responsiveness to the quantity supplied to a change in the price. So we're going to look at the three different types of elasticity. And the first one's going to be elastic supply, which is a change in prices. Price causes a proportionally larger change in the quantity supplied. Inelastic supply is a change in the prices caused a proportionally smaller change in the quantity supplied, and unit elastic supply is the change in price. It's equal to the change in the quantity supplied. So the best way I could do this to you is to show you what this looks like on a chart. On the elasticity, this is a supply curve. In this panel, it's elastic because the change in the price causes proportionally larger change in the quantity supplied. Doubling the price from $1 to $2 causes the quantity supplied to triple from 2 to 6 units. Again, the price and the numbers unrealistically simple, but it's to make the diagram easier to understand. You see that the price goes up and you have a giant change or shift. In this panel, this is inelastic supply. It shows an inelastic supply curve. In this case, a change in the product or the price causes a proportionally smaller change in the quantity supplied. So when a price doubles from $1 to $2, which you see right here, 100% increase, the quantity supplied goes only 50% up, from 2 units to 3 units. So you only see a small movement in this aspect. So when we move that supply, you see that it goes up $1, but it only goes up a half a unit or 1 unit as compared to what you would expect, which would be 2. Finally, going through here, this is unity elastic supply, and this shows a unity elastic supply curve. Here, doubling or 100% change in the price causes a proportional change in the quantity supplied. As the gas price goes from, or the price goes from $1 to $2, the quantity supplied also doubles. So this is unity elastic. This is, again, is inelastic supply. So the price goes up, but it's less of a change in the actual quantity supplied. And then finally, elastic supply is when it goes up and it causes a giant shift or a giant change. So to summarize, the determinants of supply elasticity: how fast can a firm adjust to new prices? And the answer would be only production considerations determine supply elasticity. So unlike demand elasticity, only production considerations determine supply elasticity. If a firm can react quickly to a change in that price, then the supply is likely to be elastic. If a firm takes longer to react to a change in price, then the supply is likely to be inelastic. So that's the whole concept of supply elasticity.